My feet look pretty nice. And I don't know what's about to come off of them. I literally shed all this
new skin underneath.
Oh, look at that skin.
We had some requests from some IPSTers. So we are gonna test out a possible way to get baby soft feet. So disclaimer, if you're not a fan of feet, we are gonna get up close and real with some today.
I made the mistake of watching a foot peel video prior to this.
It's like the pimple popping videos, like you just can't look away and you just have to keep watching it until it's over.
Feet are not the worst thing ever, but they're not the best thing ever.
I'm just nervous because my feet look pretty nice.
My toes, like where it rubs up against the shoe, and then my heels are kind of gross.
I am a shorty, I'm 5'2", so I really enjoy wearing heels. You can probably knock on them and they'll make a sound.
It's lavender scented.
What?
You have to leave it on your feet for an hour.
This photo though is really extreme.
I'm so glad I don't have a man. That way he doesn't have to look at these.
I'm kind of confused.
This feels really weird.
It honestly feels so disgusting.
Like jello and saliva.
They just feel really soft, like they already feel like baby feet. It's like my heels are a little dry. No peeling or anything yet.
Took my shoes off, took my socks off. And they still look like the same feet with a bad pedicure. It's a little wrinkly. That's about it.
My feet started to get really wrinkly.
The bottom of my feet is starting to have weird wrinkles.
I'm starting to question things. Pretty much looking like day one. I was expecting like some massive peelage and ugly looking dead skin by now.
Pretty much all the dry kind of rough areas started peeling by themselves. It doesn't look super scary. Outside is kind of the skin before the peel, and then right here is the new skin underneath.
It started to look dry. My foot never looks like this, even if it's dry. So this joint is peeling. Ew. They look crusty.
I went out to get coffee with my mom. We were sitting outside and she looked down at my feet.
There's something wrong with this.
So she saw the top was peeling off and she was freaking out.
Is it a burn? You have to take it to the dermatologist.
It's a foot peel treatment.
Oh.
I felt like a human lizard. It's working now.
It was kind of dry. It looked like dandruff a little bit. Dry. They are dry. Maybe it's because they're peeling, but they're dry. Okay, they're not really peeling. I don't know what's happening.
It's just all coming off by itself. I haven't had to, do anything by myself. Just make sure I wear socks when other people are around me.
Looks like dinosaur scales.
You know it's real love when your hubby helps you peel your foot.
Oh yeah, I got a good one.
Oh my gosh. I literally shed all this. At the end of our foot journey, me and my beautiful feet, I showed y'all they did not peel.
Super easy. There was nothing like really gross or nothing complicated at all. So here are my feet at the end of the process. All that dry, kind of dead, rough skin that was around my heels and then around the balls of my feet are gone.
Kind of feels like I have new feet now.
A little bit of peeling happening. Peeling is pretty much done.
My skin actually feels like skin again.
A little crusty. Overall, I really thought they were gonna peel and they didn't.
There was nothing I had to do extra to, keep cleaning my feet off.
My feet were rock solid, really calloused. Now my feet feel really nice and soft.
I would definitely do it again.
This product would be perfect for people that have super rough, callous feet.
Maybe an athlete or someone who's just always on their feet.
It feels really gross, but you only have it on for an hour and then everything happens by itself. So I'd say it's worth it. Why not? Just try it.
Zui, 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 zui.